Good morning, friends. This is CA Shaurubh Ghosh from Stock Deck. आज हम लास्ट वीक का एक अच्छा ट्रेड हम शेयर करेंगे. हमने क्यों लिया है एंड ऑल दिस रीजंस. आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स विच प्रोबेबली यू वुड लाइक. तो सबसे पहले जो हम लोगों का जो ज्ञान शीट, दिस इज़ ए प्योरली फॉर इंट्राडे पर्पस. एंड इंट्राडे में ज्ञान trend change time predictor. Thank you everybody for giving us this encouragement. There are a lot many units have been sold so far, and this sheet, this comes with a loyalty bonus and cashback offer of 50%. So if you want it, you can go through the description box and you will get a detailed video on this. I don't want to get into detail at this time on this, but this is perfectly working and people are really appreciating, and our students the guys who have already taken, they are immensely benefited. Okay, and this is a limited time offer. Okay, now with this we also have actually we have seen a lot of people are suffering in stock market, even in live market. They are trading in options and futures. So those are very very big stakes and people are often getting stuck. So keeping that in mind, we have also launched some educational service. What is the service? Stock diagnosis on demand. So if it is in the live market, it will be 1000 rupees per stock, and if it is off market, it is 500 rupees per stock. But I'm making it clear, this is intended only for educational purposes to help you really understand the market, and it is for no other use. It is prohibited for any investment use. I am not a SEBI registered guy. But this service would really help people to really learn the stock market very fast, and this is part stock basis. So and I know it is subject to my time availability also, and I myself analyze and give that suggestions, my views. Okay, and do not take any investment decision based on this. Do consult with a good consultant who is authorized by SEBI. Okay, so this detail would also be available in the description box of the video. So I strongly recommend whatever products we have very few number of products, but those products are really helpful in the stock market. So let's get back to our business. Now this is an Adani Enterprise chart, and Adani Enterprise chart we have traded. What we have traded we will show you. So this is a naked chart, and we are saying primarily this particular trend is bearish. Okay, now with this bearish trend we will definitely take a trade on the bearish side. Okay, so let's one by one switch on our setup. So what is this setup saying? ये स्टॉक खोलने से पहला इंफॉर्मेशन जो आता है, what is the current trend is bearish, and what is the written here? So look at this very very important informations those are got. This is last night we have actually developed, and after long testing. So current trend bearish, but this is potential reversal. So at this particular level, this stock is now giving a potential reversal point. Just wait, it has not reversed. It is actually telling you that we are in a potential reversal point. That's all. Then here also it is a price, price is below volume weighted average price, that is 1399, which is very close. Okay, this is a view up line. Okay, so these are very very important information. And then we also have our GAN setup. GAN setup actually draws you lot of information, and automatic trend line and trend bars, trend line and support resistance, and it also gives you a volume information. The heart sign says, I do not have any volume indicator here, but the heart sign says that price action with volume average 30. So average 30 के ऊपर ये volume हुआ है at the time this is a resistance. So this is actually is a potential reversal, because the cobra line is also just changing. and you also have the grand channel. This is a beautiful thing that one can have. It draws, if you look at these, these are all green line, and this pink one is baby pink color. These are all support and resistance, a very strong level. And so here we can see this is automatically actually giving you a signal that is a support resistance. You are in the support zone, and in the support zone, if you look at this particular area, that automatically it has been drawn. This is basically a consolidation zone. So in the consolidation zone, now I will look at the volume. Okay, and in the consolidation zone, what information it is giving? It is giving you an information that ये जो consolidation zone यहाँ से लाल लाइन चालू है, ये छोटा horizontal line. Okay, so consolidation zone में high volume, fast candle in the consolidation zone has very very high volume. Okay, आप देखिए नीचे से कितना बड़ा वॉल्यूम है. ओके, नाउ ड्यूरिंग द कंसोलिडेशन जोन हाउ विल यू ट्रेड? ड्यूरिंग द कंसोलिडेशन जोन देखिए, वेन एवर द स्टॉक इज कमिंग डाउन, द वॉल्यूम इज लो. ग्रीन वॉल्यूम, द blue is your buying volume, and black is your sale volume. So you can see that sale volume is decreasing, and buying volume, even if it has gone up, it is within the consolidation zone, and it has been extended up to here. So up to this level, there is a pressure of sale volume. So therefore this is something that people should really taking cognizance of these informations. Okay, तो हम लोग कैसे ट्रेड किया है, let us explain. I am not giving you a view what will happen tomorrow. Okay, I am not today I will not be going to that level. Okay, now let's go to the 5 minute charts of Adani Enterprise. Okay, and see how we could capture. Okay, now this you are seeing, if I go for a 15-minute chart, if you go for a 15-minute chart, now on 16th, okay, on 16th we have these charts. Okay, now on 16th we have started our day with a very big candle here. Okay, and then we got it's a signal. What signal? It's a sell signal. Where? At the right place, that is the resistance. Okay, so signal number 1, signal number 2 is your cobra bending. Signal number 3, what? It has come out of a blue zone, that is your consolidation zone. So we actually sold off at this level once this this particular candle has come down. Let me show you. See, we have actually taken a trade at this level. Okay, at this level is in fact इसकी थोड़ा ऊपर में ही है. Let me switch it off here, then possibly yeah. So therefore we have taken the stock, we have shorted basically Adani Enterprise because the main trend was short. So we waited for this consolidation zone. The moment the signal generated, this is signal number 1, this is cobra coming down, signal number 2. So and this particular line is a median line, so we sold it here itself. Okay, at the price of 1403. It's not 1404. It's because we allowed these to cross, at least cross one. So at 14,404 we shorted only one lot. Okay, and then what happened? Once we have shorted here, we must know how much it can go. Okay, so therefore what happened is when we were here, we must know ये कितना दूर जा सकता है. So therefore what we did is we drawn a bull trap line. Okay, what is the line? Bull trap line. What is when we were here, okay, we knew that stock would be reversing at this level. So what should be my target? 1391. Okay, so we shorted what at this level? 1403. Okay, so from 1403, how much money we have got? From 1403 minus our 1391 level, 1391. How much points we have got? How much point we have got? 12 points into 1000 lot size is simple 12,000 rupees we have got. Now you look at the informations these are generated during the call. Okay, now क्या क्या information हमको मिल रहा है, यहाँ हमने short किया, then thereafter my stop loss is how much? My stop loss is here 1411. Okay, 1411. So therefore stop loss काफी big था. Okay, but since I have got 3 confirmation, I do not have any problem to really get through all this. So once this is done, now we were riding the slope. So ये नीचे आया फिर गया. See देखो, throughout the journey it has not crossed this cobra line. What is the cobra line? This is the cobra line, this one. It has not crossed the cobra line. So when we got out, when we touched our level at 1390, we know exactly this is the point of reversal. So we got out of this trade. This is called a bear trap line. So ऊपर में जब ट्रैप होता है तो हमने क्या बोलता है कि बुल ट्रैप, नीचे में क्या होता है? बियर ट्रैप. सो देयरफॉर बुल ट्रैप, बियर ट्रैप अगर आपको जानकारी आ गया तो, एंड देन व्हेन यू नो व्हेन द गैन ट्रेंड इज चेंजिंग, you know exactly mathematically how the stock is going to behave. Okay, this is so easy for us to trade, and this is not a very deep calculation and all those things. So these are all running commentary. So whenever the stock is below view up and below cobra line, the trend becomes bearish, and if you look at it constantly gives you these signals. अब देखिए दूसरा जो चीज़ है और एक है, आप ये देख लेता हूँ हम लोगों का BTC USD आज संडे में भी खोला है मार्केट, तो उसको कैसे हम ट्रेड करेगा? इट इज़ ऑल्सो ईजी फॉर अस टू ट्रेड anything, any market, anything, it is easy for us. So what will you do? This is a 1 hour chart of BTC. 1 hour chart में आप क्या करोगे? Let us go back to let's say 15 minutes chart, okay, or 5 minutes chart, that's better. Let's do one thing. पहले 15 minutes देख लेता हूँ. तो 15 minutes में है क्या? What is the stock diagnosis? मेरा diagnosis क्या है? It's a bearish dispersion. This dispersion is something which is taught. हम लोगों का BCom लेवल में पढ़ाता है. This is statistical science, measures of dispersion. So this is a dispersion. Dispersion means इसमें stock stock का जो range है वो range bearish range है. Okay, and this is the current trend is also bearish, range is also bearish. दोनों चीज़ है. I am talking about trend and I am talking about range. Okay. सो इसमें बियरिश ट्रेंड में है. दूसरी बात है कि 5 मिनट में. ओके, नाउ उसकी बात क्या है? इन दिस पार्टिकुलर एरिया व्हाट वी आर सीइंग 2-3 थिंग्स. वन इज स्टॉक इज इन ए स्ट्रॉन्ग taking a support zone. It is a support zone, but it is inflammation is bearish. Okay, now 5 मिनट में जाके हम ट्रेड कैसे करेगा? 5 मिनट में हमने चला गया. सो बेसिकली ये रियल ट्रेड है. तो इसमें ट्रेड कैसे करना है? नाउ द स्टॉक इज इन कंसोलिडेशन जोन. कंसोलिडेशन से कहाँ निकल गया? अब देखिए, ड्यूरिंग द कंसोलिडेशन इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ विथ अ वेरी बिग कैंडल, वेरी in fact once the consolidation started off with a green candle and then red candle बहुत बड़ा आ गया. दैट मीन्स ऊपर जब जाता है तो इसमें पकड़ के फेंक देता है. एंड द स्टॉक इज इन करंट ट्रेंड इज बियरिश की बात. उसकी बात क्या हुआ? ये कंसोलिडेशन जोन जब ब्रेक किया है, व्हाट इज योर सिग्नल? इट्स सो इजी, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. इधर क्या सिग्नल दिया? आपको दिया है रेड सिग्नल. दूसरी क्या दिया है? आपका कंसोलिडेशन ब्रेकिंग है. ओके, सो व्हाई यू विल नॉट शॉर्ट? एंड थर्ड कंफर्मेशन क्या है? आप ये देखिए, ये वाला जो लाइन है ना, ये वाला जो लाइन है, दिस इज ए ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक. ओके, ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक. सो देयरफॉर यहाँ से आराम से आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हो अगर आप, इफ यू वांट टू प्ले सेफ. फोर्थ कंफर्मेशन आप देखो, फोर्थ कंफर्मेशन है ना, ये जो बोलिंजर बैंड्स है, बोलिंजर बैंड्स इज एक्चुअली स्क्वीज खोला है नीचे. सो देयरफॉर आप चार्टो अगर आप कंफर्मेशन मिल रहा है तो 32,045 के नीचे आप करो, बिकॉज दिस वाज एक्चुअली सपोज टू बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट जोन, एंड ये सपोर्ट जोन भी ब्रेक कर दिया. सो देयरफॉर हम यहाँ आंख बंद करके शॉर्ट करेगा 32,040 में. एंड आपका कब गया, एट व्हाट लेवल इट हैज रीच्ड? आप ये देखो ये वाला में 32,040 से 31,880. सो बेसिकली इट्स ए आपका 200-250 पॉइंट तो कोई बात ही नहीं है, ये तो आराम से मिल ही जाएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू शुड रियली ट्रेड विद दिस काइंड ऑफ सेटअप इज फैंटास्टिक. एंड देन you should know how to run this setup, and that is what we teach in our daily teach to our students once they take this setup, and this is a very very powerful setup. So with these friends, I want to cut short the discussion. So I have updated you about our new journey, this diagnosis on demand and the GAN change trend template, and this particular this setup. We have also scanners and your Nicola, which is also really very good. And this is people are benefited and people are using it left, right and center and making money. Okay, so this is CS Arup Ghosh. If you are interested to be part of Stock Show family, do contact us from the below number 9143091430, and we'll be happy to help you. CS Arup Ghosh wishing you good trading in the next week. Till then, see you. Bye bye.